Hey guys, let's review the standard algorithm one more time before practicing today. So we have, make a number up, 37 times 26. So first step says 7 times 6, which is 42. So the 2 goes here, and I move the 4 up. Okay, next step is 6 times 3. I know 6 times 3 is 18 plus 4. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, step 3, put my 0 down beneath. And then do 2 times 7. Or actually, I'm done with this 6, so I can cross that out. I'm done with this 4. I can cross that out. So now, step 3 says 2 times 7, which is 14. 4, regroup the 1. Step 4, 2 times 3, which is 6, plus the 1, which is 7. Last step is to add. I have 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 962. Let's try another one. Okay, this one is 46 times 53. Step 1, 3 times 6 is 18. 8, put the 1 in the tens place. Step 2, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Step 3, put my 0, cross out this 3, cross out this 1. 5 times 6 is 30. 0, 3 up here. 5 times 4 is 20, plus the extra 3 is 23. Last step to add. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2,438. Now I'm going to take this problem and I'm going to solve it using the other two strategies as a quick review before we start working on our assignment. So I'm still going to use this one. So I know that the answer is 2,438. Now let's do this one with partial products next. So here I have the same problem, ready to do partial products. So I switched out my paper. So this one had the 0 on it for standard algorithm. This is my instruction for partial products. And I'm just going to write down my equation. So step 1 says 3 times 6. Step 2 says 3 times 40. Step 3 says 50 times 6. Step 4 is 50 times 40. So let's solve these real quick. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 40 is 120, or 3 times 4 is 12, plus my 0. 50 times 6, well I know 5 times 6 is 30, plus the extra 0. And then 50 times 40, 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 2 extra zeros is 2,000. So my last step is to reclassify these under the proper place values and then add them up. So in my ones place I get an 8, in my tens place I get a 3, in my hundreds place I get a 4, in my thousands place I get a 2. So I still have the same answer, 2,438. Let's solve the same one, but this time with area models. So I have my board set up ready to do an area model. I'm going to break apart my first number. So 46, I'm going to put 40 plus 6. And 53, I'm going to put 50 plus 3. Now remember, to figure out what equation we're going to put in each box, you can look up to see what number's on top, and then you're going to look to the left to see what number's to the left. So in this box right here, if I look up, it's a 40. If I look to the left, it's a 50. So I know that one's going to be 40 times 50. And this box, if I look up, it's a 6. If I look to the left, it's a 50. So this one's going to be 6 times 50. This box is going to be 40 times 3. And this box is going to be 6 times 3. Should be the same problems we had. Okay? 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 zeros. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1 extra 0. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 0. And 6 times 3 is 18. Last step is to add all of those pieces up. Make sure you line them up correctly. And let's add. Have an 8, a 3, a 4, and a 2. So we still get the same answer as before using all 3 strategies.